Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on developing a classified website using Laravel 5.8. In my last video I completed creating this form of publishing ad, where user can select the various subcategories and enter the details of the product and select the image of their product, and they can submit or post your ad. Okay, so now in this video I will develop the functionality of publishing the ad. Okay, so now for doing that, first we need to go to our table. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the table inside which I'm going to publish the ads. Okay, and this advertisements table contains a field as main category ID. Okay, so but here with this form I'm having subcategory IDs here. Okay, so I will get subcategory ID with this drop down. Okay, so when I right click on this, and when I click on inspect, okay, you will see here, okay, so IDs of subcategories are there. Okay, so but along with storing the subcategory ID, I'm also storing the main category ID here. Okay, so now how I'm going to get that main category ID? Okay, so for getting the main category ID, I have written this code. Okay, here as you can see, okay, I'm using a hidden text field, and from that hidden text field I'm passing the main category ID. Okay, so I'm getting the main category ID from the URL. Okay, so this is the main category ID. Okay, so I'm getting this main category ID from the URL, and I'm sending that URL along with the form post form request. Okay, so now, okay, so let's start developing the functionality of publishing the ad. Okay, so I have created these many files, okay, as you have seen in my earlier videos. Okay, so I need to open this cars and bikes ads, okay, which is present under published ads, and now I need to come to my users controller. Okay, in my last video I had completed till here. Okay, so now here, from here I need to make an ads, okay, and then goes to new advertisement, advertisement. Okay, so here I need to call an object of my advertisement. Okay, and then semicolon, and then I need to get the image, dollar request of file, and then photos. Okay, so I need to refer the same name whatever I have given to photos or to my input type file. Okay, where from which I'm selecting the images. Okay, as you can see here I have given a name as photos. Okay, and here I'm passing the array because I'm selecting more than one image. Okay, that's why I have used an array index here. I'm storing those images inside an array. Okay, and now let me just come back. Okay, and then I will make a variable as count, and then I will initialize it to 0, and then an if condition, if the same file, okay, if what it says is if I select any of the image, okay, then I will going to use a for each loop, and I'm going to iterate over all the images. Okay, images as item. Okay, and then here I'm allowing users to select only 4 images. Okay, not more than 4 images. So that's why I need to put a condition here. If count. If count is less than 4, okay, next. Then I will make a variable, okay, and then I will use date. I will create a date. Okay, so why I'm creating a date? Because along with the name of the image, I'm concatenating date as well. Date format, okay, and then var, comma, year, month and day. Okay, and now image name. Okay, now I will create one more variable as image name, and then to this I will assign my time variable. Okay, and then I will concatenate and then item. Okay, now item is the name of my image. Okay, each and every name of the image whichever image I'm selecting, or how much images I'm selecting, I'm iterating over those images with this for loop. Okay, item get client original name. Okay, then dollar item, okay, yeah, item, and then name item, yeah, I need to move it to public path. Okay, and then I'm going to move it to my uploads folder. Okay, so here I need to create an uploads folder inside my public folder. I'll right click on the public folder, and then I will create a new folder with a name as uploads. Okay, so whatever images I will be uploading along with the ad, those images I want to get stored inside this uploads folder. Okay, and then comma, and then image name, okay, which is the name of my image. Okay, and then I will create a URL to then uploads. Okay, uploads, and then image name. Okay, here, okay, that's okay. Yes, now I'll create an array to store the URLs. Okay, because I will be publishing more than one image, and for each and every image I will be creating an URL, and each and every URL I'm storing inside an array. Okay, and now I'm incrementing the count variable. Okay, now let me test this code by displaying the names of images which I'm trying to upload. Okay, so let me just print it, just save it. Okay, now let me just refresh the page. Okay, now I'm in my cars and bikes category, and I will select the category as bikes. Okay, and then model, and then price. Okay, and then name. Okay, and then state, and then I'll choose the images. Okay, and now let me just click on post your ad. Okay, so okay, app controllers advertisement not found. Okay, so we need to come at the top and you need to use our model advertisement, use app advertisement. Okay, and then save it. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now it's displaying me another error. Okay, that means I have not used URL. Okay, so for that let's come back to my editor. Okay, and here use. Okay, so here I'm using URL library. Okay, so helper, URL helper, so we need to use appropriate libraries of it. Okay, so let illuminate support facades and then URL. Okay, and also we need file and input. Okay, and now let me just okay, so now yes, now let me just refresh. Okay, now you can see it's displaying me the names of images which I'm trying to upload. Okay, so I had selected 3 images, that's why it's displaying the names of 3 images along with the date. Okay, and you can see date is been prefixed to each and every image. Okay, so now let's come back to our project. Okay, so date. Okay, let me just change to date. Okay, save it. Okay, now I will just cut it out and let's try to echo the URL. Okay, now let me just refresh the page. Okay, undefined variable time. Okay, so now where we are, yes, here it should be not item, here this should be date. Okay, save it. Okay, and refresh. Okay, so now you can see it's displaying me the complete URL. Okay, see a URL for one project, one file, and a URL for another file, and an URL, complete URL for third file. Okay, so these URLs I'm going to store inside my database table. Okay, so now with these URLs I'm at the time when I want to display the images, I will be fetching these URLs to display the images. Okay, after publishing the post. Okay, so now let me just come here, and these URLs I have stored one by one inside this array. Okay, let's come outside of this for each loop. Okay, and then image I'm going to implode. Okay, comma array. Okay, with the comma. Okay, so since all these images are inside an array, but I want to store these images separated by comma. Okay, so what I have done is, here I'm using the implode function to join all these images into in one string. Okay, which is separated by comma, so that I can individually store all these names of images or URLs of images inside a database field called photos. Okay, so that's why I have used an implode function to join all the names of images or URLs of images. Okay, and then what I'll do is I will use ads main category id equals to dollar request of input, and then main category id. Okay, so here with this code I am getting the main category id which I am sending through my form as a hidden field. Okay, and then I will just copy the same thing, and then I will use subcategory id. Okay, subcategory id, the same thing I will paste here. Okay, I'll copy, and the next one is product name. Okay, so here you need to refer the same names, whatever names you have given as a name for each and every field. Okay, as you can see here I'm referring the same names. Okay, here main category id is the name, okay, which I'm sending as a hidden field. Okay, and then subcategory id name, the same name I'm using here. Okay, and then product name, the same name which is product name, which I have set as a product name, same name I'm using here inside my controller. Okay, product name. Okay, and then I'll paste. Then the next one is year of purchase. Year of purchase. Okay, and then next one is, okay, I will just copy these four. Okay, and then next one is expected selling price. Expected selling price. Okay, next is name, which is seller name. Okay, next one is mobile. Next one is email. Okay, I will copy, and then next one is state. Okay, next one is city, and then last one is photos. Okay, so now this is my entire data, and this data now I'm going to save this data inside my database table. Okay, so I don't want this here. For this I will pass this image. Okay, because this image variable now hold the URL for each and every of my image which I'm trying to upload to my server. Okay, so now let me just create an array. And let me just try to display okay, main category id, okay, which is this one. Copy, paste. Okay, comma, copy, paste, subcategory id, copy, then okay, next one is product name, next year of purchase, next expected selling price, name, mobile, okay, email, state, city. Okay, copy, put here, state, city, Okay, okay, and the last one is photos. Okay, and this should be equal. Okay, okay, now it's done. Okay, and it should be dollar of ads, and here it will be photos. So photos. Okay, now I'm going to display these details to the to you, so that you will get the better understanding. Okay, better understanding about what we are sending. Okay, okay, here let's come here, free. Okay, copy right here. Okay, and then I will print the data. Okay, so now let me just refresh the page. Okay, data syntax are expected. Okay, dollar data, printer data. Okay, comma, okay, here is fine. Okay, here comma, save it and refresh. Okay, syntax error, unexpected data. Okay, okay, here semicolon missing. Save it. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now you can see here it's returning an array which contains entire data which I'm trying to publish. Okay, so and for these photos you can see each and every URL for the image is been separated by semicolon. Okay, and now this details of photos I'm storing as a string, where each and every URL is separated by comma, and I'm storing this information inside the table. Okay, as you can see, main category ID is 2, subcategories 1, and product name, year of purchase. Each and every piece of information is been displaying properly, and all this information I'm going to save inside the table. Okay, so right now I don't have anything in my advertisement table. Okay, I don't have anything, so now let me just go and remove it. Okay, just comment this out. Okay, now I don't want this. Okay, just for the sake of you, just for the sake of better understanding, I had written this array, and now I will save the data. Ads, save. Okay, just copy, save. Okay, save function. Okay, now next is we need to display an appropriate message as well to the user. Okay, so for doing that, ads Okay, now just save it. Okay, now let's refresh our project. Okay, okay, now let me just click on cars and bikes category, and now let me just select bikes and scooters. Okay, and then product name, then year of purchase, and then price, then name. Okay, and then I will select the state as Goa, and here I will select the images. Okay, and when I click on open, it will display 3 files selected, and when I click on post your ad, okay, so I have not redirected the user to my main page, it's directly redirecting the users to that controller function. And now when I come to my table, you will see a record is been inserted with main category ID details, subcategory ID details, product name, year of purchase, expected selling price details, name, mobile. Okay, and then name, mobile, email, state, city, and you can see here the URL which contains the details of each and every image which gets uploaded. Okay, and now if you want to see the images which I have uploaded, you can see those images inside these uploads folder. Okay, so now you will see bike. Okay, bike 1, bike 2, bike 3. Okay, so like this images will get uploaded, and the URL of each and every image will get uploaded inside the database. Okay, and now let's go back here. Okay, and let me just go back website. Okay, so now I want to redirect the user to my home page the moment when I publish an ad, and I want also to display a message saying that your ad gets published successfully. Okay, so for doing that, I need to come to my controller here, and then I need to type, I need to return. Okay, to return to redirect. Okay, to redirect. Okay, return redirect to home page. Okay, with message. Okay, as advertisement published successfully. Okay, and this is info return published successfully. Okay, save it. Okay, and for displaying this message, you need to write this code here. Okay, so inside your user.play.php, which I have created here inside my users folder, you can see there is a users.play.php file which I had created in my earlier videos, and you need to put this much of code here inside your users.play.php. After doing that, you just let me just refresh, click on cars and bikes. Okay, and okay, let me just go to mobiles and tablets category and select mobile phones. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, anything. Okay, product name. Okay, and then 18, let's say price 2500. Okay, and then okay, let it be the same name. Okay, and then Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I will choose the images. Okay, yes. Okay, I will select these two images of Redmi. Okay, then I will just change it to Redmi. Okay, and now when I click on post your ad, then you will see I have been redirected to my home page, and along with the messages advertisement published successfully. Okay, so now with this we have successfully completed the functionality of publishing an advertisement with our classified website. Okay, so now let me just see our table, and one more entry will get added. As you can see here, another entry gets added, which I have published just few seconds back. Okay, this is the details of the URLs. Okay, and these are the images. Okay, now, and when I go to my uploads folder to view those images, and you will see these two images are uploaded. Okay, so now this is everything about developing the functionality of uploading or publishing advertisements to our classified website. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.